You take this GrassBuster right here and you just start going to town on it. I mean, it will scrape. I mean, seriously, it's... God almighty, this is embarrassing. How does a man let something get this bad? Oh, I know. Come and I'll tell you. Here, let me just make a little bit of a video. I'll make sure I ain't laying on my phone. Okay, it's in my left pocket. Watch this. You see how thick and junk that is? Check this out. Wham! Look at this. And that's been on there for a month. God, you gotta love a GrassBuster. Look at that. Look at it. Just off perfect. Look at that. I can't reach all the way up in there. So what I'm going to do with this thing is engineer me a pole onto it. Watch this thing. It's amazing. It actually makes it kind of fun. Ain't nothing fun about scraping the deck, but that's what she said. Look at this. See how good this mower would look if it wasn't for me? Getting stuck so much, because it'll clean up pretty. Hello, Miss Boo. This will clean up good. It'll look like new. I hate to see what the rest of it, but there's some Toro for y'all. I'm not paid to do this video. I just like these things that much. Did you know most scrapers are the same thickness all the way through? This one, like I said, it's real thin at the bottom. Anyway, I ordered a new blade sharpener. I bought it. I didn't get it for free. And you will have a video of it soon. I know I said I was done. Smooth as a baby's butt. Man, these are my good pest control pants too. Frick it all. I know I told you I was done, but watch this. God! It's in there like concrete. And it's wet. Boy, if it ain't bad for a dick. D-E-C-K-E. Y'all gotta learn how to speak hillbilly. Look at all that. That's what she said. Check that out, man. Check that out. Look at that. God. It's stuck on the blade. I'm gonna have to move it because it's so nasty. Put y'all under here. I don't know if you can see anything or not. It's so nasty. God, I don't want my arm to be in it. Look at that. That's GrassBuster, baby. Look how easy. I'm serious. It makes it almost fun. As fun as it can get. And as easy as it can get. I can't reach no more. Ooh, I got my arm in it. That's what she said. I gotta learn to grow up. God almighty. It's all wet. That's what she said. I'm gonna blow up. That's what she... Oh God, grow up, external. Now check this out, man. God, It was like concrete up in there. Up in there. I hate these things right here, but they do the job. Man, I didn't want to get on my knees. That's what she said. Dang it. Get my knees dirty. Dang it. Oh, there's too many jokes. You see how there's nothing around it? Because of that little channel right through there. Hello, Miss Boo. She's getting a bath this weekend. That's what she said. Let me go back over here. Y'all done seen this once. But now I'm in the mood to make a video. Look at that. Look at that. Well, another video. God, this is embarrassing, but I'm showing it. Not to embarrass myself, which I'm doing. Look at that. God. The frick did I mow? But to show y'all, like I've used regular paint scrapers. You know, you name it, we've all tried it. That's what she said. And I finally found a product that actually works, and it's inexpensive. $10, people. $10. I don't know where they all sell them at. I know I got both of mine from Pro Parts, the company I keep talking about. $10. 10 freaking bucks. Y'all need to get some at Kinetics oil. It's on sale for $1.38 right now. And the 2-gallon, 2.5 gallon, if you get a no spill, it's 2.5 gallons. It is $1.98. Don't quote me on that. $2.50, something like, I don't know. It's real cheap, right? They just put it on sale. And plus 20% coupon. I ain't got nothing else to talk about while I'm laying under here. Well, look at that blade. These are the blades I'll make a video on. I got a little bit of damage on them. Look at that nice edge that I sharpened by hand. I'm pretty good at it, but not as good as that sharpener's going to do. So I've almost got all of it. I've got all kinds of lights. I should have brought a light. But you can see it, the shadow. I'll just drive up. I mean, you see the thing working flawlessly, but I'm just going to show you how much, and I've already done it once. If you've seen that video, or most of it. Dang it, I forgot a bunch. Is it me, or does the decks get bigger every time you scrape them? It's like never ending bunch of dog turds. Y'all ever have customers that tell you that? About the dog feces in the yard? Oh, don't worry about it, just mow over it. Don't they realize that the decks don't scrape themselves? Oh, just run over it. And then I'm like, you know, I have to scrape that by hand. And I don't want your dog's poop on my hands. I should be wearing gloves now. Alright, I'll finish it off with a pressure washer. Look at that. You can just scoop in there and break all that loose. I'm going to get a chute blocker from that one company. I messaged them forever ago. Not Russo. Who's the one that sells in Knoxville, near Knoxville? SLE. They got one for this, a chute blocker, for $200 or less. It's a basic one and I want it. Hey, hello, Miss Boo. And I want that chute blocker bad. Don't you, Miss Boo? You want your chute blocker so I don't throw grass when you're walking around. She won't get out of my way when I mow. Had this dog like 15 years. She's my buddy. No matter where I'm at, she's right there with me. She wouldn't let me sleep if it was up to her, because she'd want to lay on my face, because she's daddy's bubby. Anyway, you're right in the way, Miss Boo. But you cute. You get away with it, don't you? You get away with it. I forgot what I was saying. Get you a GrassBuster. Here, it's dog approved. Right on the back of my dog. See, she don't care, because it weighs nothing. You're messing up production, Miss Boo. Oh, let me show you what I did for the people that watches my channel. She push it. Dog. I'm taking the skags tomorrow, because I'm going to mow my yard with this one, and I don't feel like fooling with it. And then tomorrow when I get back, I'm going to put this on there and I'll make you another video. See, here's the first part of the deck, and then you see all that. GrassBuster, I've got 2 of them. Check them out. I'll put the link down yonder. That's right, I'm a hillbilly and I said yonder and I don't care. So I'll catch you guys later. GrassBuster.